In the last class, we fully backed up Server 1 to a virtual disk. Now we're going to use this virtual disk to restore Server 1 to a new virtual machine. We'll do this procedure to learn how to recover Server 1 with all the settings and files on a new computer, in case we've lost the computer for some reason, for example, a technical problem. To start, shut down the Server 1 virtual machine. The next step is to unlink the disk from the Server 1 backup. So we're simulating that we removed the disk from the computer. Click on the Server 1 virtual machine and click Settings. Click on Store. Click on the virtual disk file that we're going to unlink. Pay attention to the file name of the virtual disk. It's important that we know the name of the virtual disk because we're going to use it on a new virtual machine. So click on Remove Selected Storage Attachment. The next step is to create a new virtual machine. So click on the New button. In Name, type Server 1 Restore. Under Type, select Microsoft Windows. In Version, select Other Windows 64-bit. Select the amount of RAM that'll be used on this virtual machine. Let's use the same value we used for Server 1. And now let's create a new virtual disk where the previous backup will be stored. So select Create a Virtual Hard Disk Now. Click on Create. Enter the size of 50 gigabytes. And click Create. The next step is to configure the network and storage settings. We're going to use the same network drives previously used on Server 1. So click on the Settings button. Select the Network option. Under Adapter 1, select the Internal Network option. Click on the Adapter 2 tab. Select the Enable Network Adapter option. Select Bridge Adapter. To restore the server, we'll need to use the Windows Server 2019 installation ISO file. So click on the Storage option. We can see that we have the previously created virtual hard disk applied to the virtual machine and an empty DVD drive. Click on the empty DVD drive. Select the previously downloaded Windows Server 2019 ISO installation file. The next step is to add the virtual disk with the backup. So click on Controller. Click on the button Add New Storage Attachment. Select Add Hard Disk. Click on Choose Existing Disk. Select the disk with the backup of Server 1. Click the Choose button. Click Start to start the virtual machine. Then click Next. Click on Repair Your Computer. Click Troubleshoot. Click on System Image Recovery. Notice that the backup disk will be located. Then click Next. Click Next again. Click Finish and Yes to confirm. Wait for the restore to finish. This procedure may take a few minutes. And as we can see, the server has been restored.